3, 2, 1.
Which movie is about a dystopian future where citizens are given color-coded occupations? The answer is C. Inception. C. What is the largest vegetable that can be grown? The answer is A. Pumpkin. How many red crosses are present on the national flag of Georgia, a country in the Caucasus region? The answer is C. 5. What is the largest edible fruit in the world? The answer is C. Pumpkin. What item do you use to clean your car's windshield? The answer is C. Windshield wiper. What was the only top 40 hit of musician, bandleader, and television impresario Lawrence Welk? The answer is B. Calcutta. A light bulb will turn on when what flows to it? The answer is B. Sapping energy. Students want to compare the size of microorganism communities in 500 milliliter water samples from each of 2 ponds. Which factor most likely will affect the accuracy of their observations? The answer is C. The magnifying power of the microscope. I'm broken, yet I hold water. What am I? The answer is D. Pitcher. What is the measurement for the amount of water vapor in the air? The answer is B. Humidity. What was Ted Williams' nickname? The answer is B. The Splendid Splinter. Which type of energy is carried through a metal cable? The answer is C. Electrical. Temporal and spatial summation at the axon hillock determines whether a neuron generates what? The answer is D. Action potential. Which fruit is often associated with the Middle East and North Africa? The answer is C. Dates. Which 2 teams did the Time Force Rangers team up with? The answer is D. Lightspeed Rescue and Wild Force. Which organism has a blue blood due to the presence of copper-based hemocyanin? The answer is A. Octopus. What is the first programming language ever created? The answer is C. Fortran. I have no eyes, but I can see everything. What am I? The answer is C. A drone. Which president wrote a number of books? The answer is B. Jimmy Carter. What is another name for flatworms such as tapeworms and flukes? The answer is B. Platyhelminths. Who was originally cast as Marty McFly in Back to the Future? The answer is A. Eric Stoltz. Which influential scientist improved the Newcomen steam engine, creating an efficient steam engine? The answer is B. James Watt. What equipment does a soccer player use to control the ball? The answer is C. Boots. It's light as a feather, yet even the world's strongest man cannot hold it for more than a minute. What is it? The answer is A. Breath. What state is Gonzaga University in? The answer is D. Washington. I'm a system where one can rise quickly, but also fall dramatically. What am I? The answer is B. Stock market. Which ancient civilization built the Great Pyramid of Giza? The answer is B. Greeks. In some locations, squirrels sleep for long periods of time during the winter months. Which of the following most likely causes these squirrels to sleep for long periods of time? The answer is B. Decrease in temperature. I can help you measure angles and distances. What am I? The answer is D. Protractor. What is a savory pie made with minced meat, onions, and spices? The answer is C. Quiche. Which one of these movies starred George Clooney, Brad Pitt, and Frances McDormand? The answer is A. Burn After Reading. Who played Buddy Sorrell in the pilot episode of The Dick Van Dyke Show? The answer is C. Morty Gunty. What class of animals translated as head-foot includes octopuses, squids, cuttlefish, and nautilus? The answer is A. Cephalopods. What do archers use to shoot arrows? The answer is A. Bow and arrow. Many adults and some children suffer from a deficiency of lactase. These individuals are said to be lactose intolerant because they cannot digest the lactose found in what? The answer is C. Milk. What do you use to polish shoes? The answer is D. Shoe shine kit. What is the traditional dessert of France served with coffee or tea? The answer is C. Creme brulee. Which ski jumper broke the world record in ski jump length, 239 m, in 2005? The answer is B. Bjorn Einar Ramaren. Which unit of measurement describes an object's length? The answer is A. Meter. In which year was the first automobile patent issued? The answer is C. 1893. I am the fastest means of communication, faster than light itself. What am I? The answer is C. Light wave. When did Tom Hanks win back-to-back Academy Awards for Best Actor? The answer is B. 1993 and 1994. Which vegetable is also called a globe artichoke? The answer is C. Cauliflower. Where does King Arthur imply that he found the coconuts in the film Monty Python and the Holy Grail? The answer is D. Mercia. Evidence suggests that there is a relationship between ancient dinosaurs and modern birds. Through time, each occurrence of a new trait most likely resulted from which of the following? The answer is A. Mutation of genes. What are telescopes that use lenses to bend light called? The answer is A. Refracting telescopes. I have a world in my pocket, yet I can't get wet. What am I? The answer is A. Smartphone. Which of the following Slytherin boys from the Harry Potter series does not have a father confirmed to be a Death Eater? The answer is D. Blaise Zabini. Which programming language was first used on the ARPANET? The answer is A. Python. The vehicle used for space travel is called a what?